Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to just change an air filter in our 2011 F-150 3.5 liter EcoBoost. So the air filter is located in the driver's side engine compartment, in front of the driver's seat. It's right here. We have safety clips, so there's latches here, the little slots that the plastic cover sits in. Then you have 3 spring type clips on this side. You just pop the butterfly air out, and there's one back here. And pop that out. Now the cover lifts up and comes out of that slot. Sometimes you don't have enough throw or movement here. If you feel like you don't have enough, then you can just simply undo the intake tube. Just a flathead screwdriver or an 8mm socket. And just undo that. And you can work that cover back and forth. Sometimes I'll take the flathead part and just break the seal a little bit because the plastic sticks. Yeah. Perfect. See, that came out so much easier. So be careful not to tug too heavily on the mass airflow line, and then you can pull the air filter right out. No, that was well needed. So to install, as you can see, there's no special notches on this. Sometimes air filters will come with a special little rubber cutout because the housing box will have a one-way installation. This is not. I don't see any debris in there, so we're just going to install the new one. Sit it down flush. Take these tabs, 4 tabs, and line it up with the plastic slots. Now I'm going to put the latches on first. By doing that, you just push on this bow part. This is the bow part of the spring clip, and it just pops up. Now, it's really important that your airbox hose, inlet hose, goes on all the way and flush, and don't forget to tighten it. If the mass airflow sensor senses a vacuum leak or an air leak, you set an engine light, and the vehicle will run kind of funky. So just working it there. And then I'm going to take my flathead screwdriver and tighten that up. Perfect. So that's it. Simple, easy peasy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.